Jinan Jingpeng CNC Machinery Company Limited was founded in 2008. After more than 10 years of accumulation and precipitation, it has developed into a high-tech enterprise specializing in research and development, design, manufacture, sales and after-sale of electric power equipment and automation CNC equipment. The company's main products are CNC Busbar processing machine, CNC Busbar punching and shearing machine, CNC servo Busbar bending machine, portable Busbar processing machine, electric power equipment, transformer processing equipment. Products are widely used in power distribution boxes, power distribution cabinets, high-end low-voltage electrical complete sets, box-type substations, transformers and other electric power industry.